The OXO Enhanced 12 inches frying pan skillet is a great addition to any kitchen. It has a non-stick surface. This means food won't easily stick. You can cook eggs or pancakes without a problem. Cleaning is also a breeze because of this feature. The glass lid is helpful, and you can see your food as it cooks. This OXO Enhanced 12 inches frying pan skillet makes cooking simpler. This pan is made with durable hard anodized aluminum. It feels strong and well built, and it should last for years. The stainless steel handle has a good grip. It stays cool while you are cooking on the stovetop. This is a nice safety feature. The pan is also dishwasher safe, and this makes cleanup even easier. Plus, the OXO Enhanced 12 inches frying pan skillet can go in the oven up to a certain number of degrees. This adds to its usefulness in the kitchen. If you are looking for a reliable nonstick pan, this is a good choice. It resists scratches, so it will look newer for longer. You won't have to worry about constant stickiness ruining your meals. It's not a magic pan, but it performs well. For the price, the OXO Enhanced 12 inches frying pan skillet offers good value. It makes everyday cooking less of a chore, and that's a big plus for any home cook. Pros: non-stick surface, durable material, hard anodized, scratch-resistant, stainless steel handle. Good grip handle, dishwasher safe, oven safe, black color 12-inch size. Cons: not ideal for induction. Some find it heavy. Lid not oven safe above 425 degrees F, can be pricey for some. Ceramic coating lifespan, scratch resistant not scratch proof, uneven heating reported. Quality may have decreased features. 12-inch size, glass lid, PFAS free, ceramic nonstick, hard anodized, scratch resistant. Steel handle, good grip, dishwasher safe, oven safe. This 12-inch OXO frying pan has a glass lid and a black, scratch-resistant surface. It uses a ceramic nonstick coating that is free of PFAS chemicals. The pan is made with durable hard anodized material and has a stainless steel handle designed for a good grip. It's safe to put in the dishwasher and can also be used in the oven. This makes it easy to cook and clean up afterwards. This OXO Enhanced 12-inch frying pan is a black, non-stick skillet with a glass lid. Designed for everyday cooking, it features a PFAS-free ceramic non-stick surface, a durable hard anodized material that is scratch-resistant, and a stainless steel handle with a good grip. The pan is dishwasher and oven safe, but not ideal for induction cooktops. And the lid is not oven safe above 425 degrees F. While some users may find it heavy and potentially pricey, and the ceramic coating's lifespan and scratch resistance have limitations, reports also suggest uneven heating and a possible decrease in quality over time.